Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox error 403. Firstly, what you have to do is just simply turn off and on your computer and check whether your Roblox is working or not, and if it doesn't work just simply follow along with the steps. So secondly, what you have to do is just simply go to your search panel, then search for control panel. Then just simply open control panel, then go to network and internet over here. Now then click on view network status and task. Then click on internet over here. Now click on properties. Then click on internet protocol version 4. Then click properties. Now over here just simply check by putting two different types of DNS. So the first DNS is of the Google, which is 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. So just simply enter the Google DNS, then press OK. Then for the other DNS, again just simply click on Internet Protocol version 4, then again properties. Now for the next DNS, which is 1.1.1.1, and for the alternate DNS server 1.0.0.1. Then again press OK. Then again simply close the panel. Now what you have to do is, after entering one of the DNS servers, now after that just simply right click on your start icon, then go on run, then search for appwiz.cpl. Now over here just simply search for Roblox, and then just simply uninstall it, and after uninstalling just simply reinstall the application and the issue should be fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.